Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Right now, why did you let them do this to your baby? Oh my God.
We're gonna need a cage car.
No, please don't put me in a cage car. No, please.
Just, all right, you need to settle down.
I know you have a family too. Just don't do
down.
it to me.
All right.
I have kids. I have beautiful kids.
Get Arf here.
Please leave me alone. Why are all these men on me and nobody's trying to help me? I'm sorry this is happening to you, baby.
On April 17th, 2023, Orlando police responded to a disturbance call at Orlando International Airport, Gate 24. The subject, Sherry, was ultimately charged with 4 criminal offenses.
Don't touch me.
We're not touching him, ma'am.
Leave me alone.
What's going on?
No.
Hey, I spoke with your husband earlier. I was the one to speak.
You spoke with him already.
I know, so are you on the phone with him?
Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
Are you... Can we talk? Ma'am, don't, please.
Leave me alone. Do not
Then
come
don't
near
touch
me.
that.
Leave me alone.
Okay.
No, I am not stopping. You will back the
later.
fuck away from me.
You need to settle down
No.
so we can talk.
I'm sorry, baby. No. I am getting away from the people.
Over there.
I'm sorry, baby.
Over there.
No, leave me
Okay,
alone.
ready? Okay.
Touch me. Do not touch me.
Yeah.
No.
Till...
Do not touch me. Do not come near me.
Jesus.
Do not come near me.
Excuse us. Move. Oh, sorry.
Do not come near me. Do not
Ma'am.
come near me.
All right, you need
My
to settle
hands
down.
are up.
You need
Don't
to settle.
touch me.
You need to settle down.
Don't touch me.
You need to settle
No,
down.
I will not settle
All right.
down.
Yes.
You will back
Yes,
up.
you will.
You will back up.
She's got a pen in her hand.
No, get off of me. Get off.
Get down on the ground.
Get off.
Down the pen. Get down the pen.
Get off of me.
Settle down.
Ah! Woo! Get the ah! No! Woo! Ah! Get off of me! Get off! Get off! Get off! No! No!
Ah, stop biting me.
Ah! Stop! No! Get off of me! Oh! No, please! Please stop it! Please stop
Roll on your stomach.
it! No! Get off of me! Get off of me! Oh! Get
Roll over. You're making it hard on yourself.
off
Back
of
it.
me! Get the f off of me!
You're about to get tased.
Get off! No!
Son, you want to
No!
roll? We got to pick the time. Come on.
Stop! Get off of me!
Stop it.
No!
Good job.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Get off of me! Now! Right now! Why did you let them do this to your baby? Get off! No! No! Please get off! Wow. Oh my God.
We're gonna need a cage car.
No, please don't put me in a cage car. Please get off of me. Get off of me now. No.
Stop.
No,
Just
please.
stop. All right, you need to settle down.
I know you have
need
a
to sit down.
family too. Just don't
settle
do
down.
it to me.
All right.
I have kids. I have beautiful kids.
Get Arf here.
Please leave me alone.
Just
Please
settle down
leave me
and
alone.
we'll get everything
Please
out
leave
for
me
you.
alone.
All right. We're going to...
lady, we're gonna sit you up.
Please don't call me little lady.
Okay.
Okay, well, you help us with your legs, okay?
Is this your shoe over here too?
All right, sit down in the
Sit in the
wheelchair.
chair.
I don't wish to sit in
We want you to sit down. You to sit down, please.
Sit down.
Please, please.
Come on, sit down.
Please sit down. Please just sit down. You want to get her feet up down?
No, don't touch me.
We're not touching
Please,
you.
do you have a family?
We're just getting the lift stuff. You can put
No,
your
no,
feet down
no,
if you want.
don't let them take me, please.
Come on.
Please
Come on,
don't
we can
let
take
No, please don't let me. Why are all these men on me and nobody's trying to help me?
We are helping you.
No, you're not.
Just put your feet up
This
here,
is
man.
really. Oh,
Is there other sneakers?
I already. Don't touch me, please. Stop it. Why were you? Please don't let them take me.
You got it. Does she have any other family members here?
Just hold on to her. Hold on to her.
Got it. There's some backstory.
No, get off of me.
We got the back,
There is
Herbie.
a backstory.
Herbie, you hang on to her. I got the back.
Family. My baby. Why are you recording me?
23, I guess. Go left.
Please.
Just go left.
No.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. This is happening to you, baby.
Excuse us.
Come on, sit down.
No.
24.
No.
Can you make some room?
No. Get off of me.
If she gets off, we're just gonna bring.
No. No, you can do it now. Yes.
Okay. I don't want.
Right now. I am not walking.
Man, relax.
I'm sorry, baby. This is happening to you.
We're going this way, folks. Use us. Ma'am, stop, please. Coming through here.
Help me, please.
Thank you.
No. Please.
Come on now, you're
Please don't take me
Coming through
away. No. Ow. Ow.
Stop kicking.
No, please.
Come on, man.
No.
Come on, come on.
No. Ow. Help me. Ow.
Good. Come on, man.
No. I will not.
Come on, man.
We're almost there.
Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, man. Come on, we gotta go.
No. Why have you only been doing this for me?
Yes.
Can you check my neck over here?
Please don't.
No, this.
No. No.
You got a bite mark. No, it's not broken. It's swollen.
We're gonna be to your left.
Bite mark. Was that a bite?
Yeah, she bit me on the neck.
Sit her down.
No. Do not.
We have to do this. All right. Bring her out.
So they got it.
I'm breaking my back.
Nobody's breaking anything.
Help me.
Grab her arms. You guys ready? On three.
No.
1, 2, 3. Up she goes. And get front.
Ow! Ow, my arms! Please put me down. I will walk now.
Okay. Stop screaming now.
Ow! Let me out
You're
of
gonna walk now, you said.
Telecom Oscar 992, 4 hour unit
Help
check.
you up now, and now you're gonna walk with us.
Get off of me.
Grab her leg. Grab her leg.
I'll talk to you when we get down there, okay? All right, ma'am. I'll talk to you when we get down there.
Bad idea. We're gonna have to put her on the stretch.
Why?
Okay, all right. Here, back in.
A full cocktail. Yep. AMR still coming?
No!
You want them to look?
Do not give me any drugs. I don't use any drugs.
If you're gonna sedate her, can we get a stretcher up here then?
No! No, I don't use any
They're right
drugs.
here and they're ready to do
They're
it.
trying to
Have them bring
sedate
the
me.
stretcher up.
We're gonna put soft restraints on you, okay? We're gonna put soft cuffs on you.
Can we use sulfur strength on her?
Ow!
I know.
Ow!
And then one cuff to the gurney. And make sure you get clearance on that.
Yes, we'll do,
Hey,
sir.
just come pick me up at the truck.
Thank you.
All right.
No, please don't take me in there. Please, please take me. Take me to the doctor. All right. I put my arm inside of this. Have your shoot it right out there, okay?
I'll be,
We put a non-intubated cap mill on the back of the stretcher.
Okay?
I'm gonna be in there with you. Hold on.
We're going to put you in this seat.
Okay.
That way you're out of sight, and it may keep things from getting. She's pretty. She's
I'll
pretty
just sit there. I'm just gonna be.
Yep.
All right. Appreciate it, guys.
This analysis examines whether Florida's Baker Act, Civil Involuntary Mental Health Examination, should have been the intervention pathway, rather than criminal arrest. Officers had lawful authority to conduct a welfare check under Terry v. Ohio. The initial detention was constitutionally sound based on the disturbance call and observed behavior. The subject's verbal conduct, profanity, raised voice, demands to be left alone, is constitutionally protected speech under the First Amendment. The Supreme Court has held that offensive language directed at police only becomes criminal, fighting words, when likely to provoke immediate violent response. The disorderly conduct charge under Florida Statute 877.03 appears vulnerable to dismissal on First Amendment grounds. The critical tactical moment occurs when an officer identifies a pen in the subject's hand. Law enforcement training universally recognizes pens as potential stabbing weapons. Under Graham v. Connor, the use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at that moment, not with hindsight. Factors supporting force: non-compliant subject, potential weapon identified, crowded airport terminal, public safety concerns. The takedown and control holds fall within hard, empty hand control on the use of force continuum and are proportionate to the resistance encountered. During the struggle, the subject bit an officer. This constitutes battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute 784.07. Battery on Leo is a felony carrying a mandatory minimum 5-year prison sentence. This charge has strong evidentiary support and is unlikely to be dismissed. Regardless of mental state or disagreement with the detention, physically biting an officer creates serious criminal liability that compliance would have avoided. The resisting arrest charges under sections 843.02 and 843.01 stem from the physical resistance and violent conduct. The central institutional question is Florida Statute Section 394.463, the Baker Act. When an individual's behavior suggests mental illness creating danger to themselves or others, law enforcement may initiate civil involuntary examination rather than criminal arrest. Behavioral indicators present paranoid statements, sustained disconnection from verbal engagement, extreme emotional distress disproportionate to the situation. The subject's statement, "Why are all these men on me and nobody's trying to help me?" reflects a perceptual gulf characteristic of mental health crisis encounters. From her perspective, she was being attacked. From officers' perspective, they were conducting lawful detention. Both perceptions were genuine. Whether the Baker Act pathway was adequately evaluated before criminal charges is a policy question this footage raises, but cannot definitively answer. Officers performed within their training. The force was proportionate. Emergency medical coordination was prompt and professional. However, the pre-physical de-escalation window was brief for an encounter presenting clear mental health indicators. Contemporary best practices emphasize extended verbal engagement, creating time and distance, and requesting specialized mental health resources when available. Once physical struggle began, de-escalation became significantly more difficult. The human stress response takes over, making verbal reasoning less effective. The Orlando police officers receive a grade of B. Physical restraint was proportionate. Medical coordination was prompt. No excessive force was applied. However, the de-escalation window was brief for a mental health crisis encounter. Officers followed their training, but institutional protocols may need enhancement. The subject receives a grade of C+. The battery charge is legally indefensible. Physical resistance created criminal exposure that compliance would have avoided. However, verbal conduct was constitutionally protected. The disorderly conduct charge appears vulnerable on First Amendment grounds. Recognition must be given that mental health crisis may have substantially impaired rational decision-making capacity. The Orlando Police Department receives a grade of B-. Officers performed within training standards. Force policy appears reasonable. The institutional gap is the absence of clear protocol for routing mental health encounters through civil intervention channels before criminal arrest. Contemporary policing emphasizes crisis intervention team training, mental health co-responder programs, and explicit decision frameworks. 3 critical lessons from this encounter. First, departments need explicit frameworks requiring Baker Act assessment before criminal arrest when behavioral indicators are present. This routes people to treatment rather than incarceration when legally appropriate. The goal is better outcomes for individuals and communities. Second, physical resistance to lawful detention creates criminal liability regardless of underlying cause. The legal remedy is the courthouse, not confrontation. Mental health crisis does not provide legal exemption from consequences for violent resistance. Compliance, even when feeling wronged, is always the safer legal strategy. Third, improvised objects like pens constitute recognized tactical threats under Graham versus Connor, legitimately elevating use of force response. Officers cannot wait to be stabbed before responding. This is grounded in officer safety principles with legal and practical foundations. For families, if a loved one shows mental health crisis indicators, request Baker Act evaluation explicitly. State clearly, this person needs mental health intervention, not arrest. For law enforcement, recognize that welfare checks and disturbance calls may be mental health crises. Consider civil pathways before criminal charges when indicators are present. For individuals in crisis, compliance in the moment protects legal rights later. Physical resistance, especially battery on officers, creates irreversible criminal consequences. The system must balance public safety, officer safety, individual rights, and compassionate treatment of mental health crises. No single answer exists for every situation. This encounter demonstrates both the legal authority officers possess and the institutional evolution needed to better serve people in mental health crisis. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police-civilian interactions and legal analysis.